Hey Raccoon, I'm gonna walk over there. It's 7:30 right now, Raccoon. 7:30. What you doing up at 7:30 in the morning? 7:30 at night. I don't know if it's morning or night time. Raccoon. I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna get on the launching pad and I'm stopping, Raccoon. I'm stopping right here, Raccoon. You hear that helicopter coming this way? Got a helicopter coming this way. That Raccoon hears that helicopter. He hears that helicopter. They might come. That helicopter might come get that Raccoon. Get that Raccoon a ride one time. Ride him around in circles. Right above me now. Right now. Right above me. You probably go left right there. Yeah, I reckon it's gone. Raccoon, you hear that helicopter come across top of the trees? That helicopter gonna pick you up, Raccoon. What are you doing out here at 7:30 in the afternoon in the morning, Raccoon? He don't like new time change. He don't like new change. They change the time on that, right? He don't like that. Raccoon right there. That Raccoon, he's right there. That's a good looking Raccoon. That Raccoon is getting big while I see cooks and bake. He is getting big. I don't know if it's 7 o'clock at night or 7 o'clock in the morning. Let's see where that Raccoon's going. I'm coming back there behind you. I'm coming right here behind you. Oh, he took off that way now. He'll probably climb that oak tree. He'll probably get right up there. He went right there where that dog is. Raccoon. 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 Raccoon he ran right there around that building right there and he went up that oak tree right there. He went right up there somewhere. All right. I don't know if it's 7:30 in the morning or 7:30 at night time. I don't know. I lost 12 hours the other day. The other day when I went to the hospital, I woke up. When I was in the hospital there, they said, look, they eat the chicken and dumplings. I had chicken and dumplings in there to eat all of it up. Had big old dumplings, you know. I don't like them there that much, but my neighbor cooked them and gave them to me. My neighbor. But anyway, that was a Raccoon. Helicopter scared him more than anything. I mean, that dog barking scared him more than anything. Then he ran right down there where the dog was, right at the corner of the fence where the dog was. Stop this video.